Welcome to section 2. During this section we will deal with the international economy, trade issues and the EU-US relations. So we will get much more into the details of how different economic systems work, how countries interact with each other, and what are the various trade arrangements that regulate either globally or regionally, like the European Union or NAFTA, the economic exchange between countries. This is important for you because when working with a company that deals with international products or try to enter foreign markets, what happens as far as tariffs, possibility to import or export products, quotas and so on, will be fundamental because it will mean having more or less competitors or having more or less opportunity to enter foreign markets. This section is organized in 3 modules, and in the first module you will find, as usual, in the section related to the reading text for this course, this one, you will find chapter 4 on world economies. This will be very insightful. Read it carefully. Also look at additional material that is provided in the module, typically through links to additional videos or website pages. And as usual, you will have a quiz in which you will have to provide short answers to specific questions. These quizzes always take, as you must have noticed in section 1, a little time to be corrected, because rather than being automatic selections automatically corrected from the system, I will have to go through each of them and verify how well you understood the concepts. So on the second day, that will be on Friday, you will deal with the specific issues concerning to these organizations and to the organizations that form the so-called international liberal order. That means those institutions and agreements that provide a set of rules for countries to deal with each other, particularly in the trade sector for what concerns this course. Again, there will be additional material in the module, and you will have a quiz to answer to. It's typically 5 questions, and in which you will have to provide short answers. Don't forget, as you can see in the calendar, that on Friday we also will have to complete your peer review post for the discussion in week 1. And on the Sunday after this Friday, so on the 12th, you will have to remember to complete the assignment and the journal entry for section number 1. Section number 2, on the other hand, will be completed on Monday. And on Monday we will get more into the relationship between the European Union and the United States. So you will understand how the concepts studied in the first 2 days of the section actually apply to the main scope of this course. Once again, there will be additional material that you will find linked to into the course, and you will have to answer a quiz answering with short replies. This section will have assignment and a journal due for Sunday the 19th. So as usual during this course, the journal entry and the assignment will be due on the Sunday after the section ends. And this Sunday will be a little more complicated because you have 2 sections to deal with and not just 1. So remember to start working well ahead before the deadline of 11:59 p.m. The assignment will be, as usual, a 2-page at least essay about what we studied through the whole session. Thank you very much for your attention, and you will have another message for section number 3.